Right, so just chatting to that guy off camera. Nice guy. Yeah, next bike, V-Strom. Can't tell what engine that is, but I like the V-Strom, and it looks like a 250 maybe. It's quite small. I quite like the V-Strom. I think that if I was going touring, I'd very much consider a V-Strom, though I'm not sure I'd use it as a daily ride, but well, maybe it might be good for a daily ride actually. Probably very comfortable. Certainly I would like another bike, and a V-Strom would be on my list. We got here to Honda, some kind of 250 GSXR. It's a nice one, that beautiful. Nice, that. Another GSXR, Honda CB400. What we got here? Some sort of Xjr, there we are. It's a Yamaha Xt 250. It's in really good condition. Looks new though. Looks like it's hardly been used at all. Yeah, I'm assuming that's quite a new bike. So a single cylinder 250. I can see the, what's he done? He's done 2,866 kilometres. So although it looks new, it's done it's done enough kilometres. This one looks like it's been dropped on the fairing. I know all about that. I know what it's like to drop it. What's that then? That's I'm not sure what that is. R25. All right. So that's 250. Back of it. Kawasaki 400 naked. Yamaha MT-03. Well stacked on the back there. It's interesting. Got these little knee pads on the side there. Quite interesting. Right, wheels. Yamaha Xt Xjr 1300. Well, the rear monoshock has got some sort of reservoir attached in the back of this. Triumph Daytona 675, I think that is. Reminding us on there it's a triple. Seen a few of these Yamaha trail bike. That's another that's the word I was looking for earlier, trail bike. So I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Cero, I don't know. 225cc it says on there. Right, Duke, KTM Duke 390. I suppose they look nice, these. I quite like the look of them. Yeah. Another KTM there, KTM 690. So, not sure if that's like, no, they look different, different styles of bike. That one's more of a trail bike, and this is more of a street naked in terms of styling. Big hefty can at the back there under the seat. Yamaha R6, this has been around, getting long in the tooth, this one. Well, I suppose they keep updating it. GSX 250R. Nice and shiny. I won't do them all. I don't think people appreciate it, to be honest. BMW RR here. Not sure if that's fake carbon fibre or real carbon fibre. I just don't know. Looks like interesting. It's a textured plastic finish there. I have to say, I don't really go for that styling. BMW GS, was that F850, right. Nice big adventure bike. This Kawasaki Ninja with a very bling Ninja badge on it. Not sure how well you can see that. It's really sparkling in the sunlight. CBR 400. I think that's, if I was going to get any luggage on my bike, I think that's the sort of thing I'd have to go for. It's going to start his, going to hear what it sounds like. Come on, let's hear it. Special, a bit underwhelming that. It's a nice Triumph Bonneville there, beautiful. Okay, got this old Honda Cross Club. I've shown you those before. I find them fascinating things. The size of that top box on the back there. That's a hefty top box for a little machine like that, or for any bike really. Interesting. Very interesting. CB400. Just remember, you do get a lot of 400s because of the medium license. This Ninja's got interesting. Got this kind of fender on the back there. That's got to be aftermarket, surely. Got a carbon look. It looks like plastic, carbon fibre effect on it in there on the inner fender. Those mirrors. Those mirrors are an interesting shape. Tell you what, look a bit sharp on the edge of there. Interesting, got this weird textured sort of knee pad section on there. Not sure what that refers to. 0822. Is that the engine size? I don't think so. Anyway, interesting. Some various custom bits on there. More of that carbon fibre look. I'm sure that's plastic. I don't think that's real carbon fibre. Anyway, not really sure what's going on there. Nice traditional Kawasaki street naked. And gosh, look at that big K1200 GTS with BMW, of course. Well, he's got a big crack on the fairing there. Looks like something's happened. But yeah, and I've noticed that the luggage, the panniers, they always get scratched, don't they? I don't know whether that's because the bike's been dropped or whether the panniers, they just get... I had a BMW touring bike, and I had full luggage on it, and they're always scratched. I mean, I bought it used, so I don't know how it happened, but they always get scratched. It's a nice, interesting, very recent looking Triumph. That's a very modern looking machine, that. Street Triple, that's the... okay, that's what the new Street Triple looks like. Interesting, the badge there is it's not, it's actually, the letters are slightly protruding, so that it's like the letters have been put on there, not as like one sticker or something, but like all the letters have I don't know if you can see that. Interesting the way the letters are on there. So W400, Kawasaki W400, nice, very nice retro. Actually quite a big bike considering it's a 400. I mean, if you compare it with, say, if you compare it like with the bike next to it, that Street Triple, this Kawasaki's huge. I mean, this is old school anyway. Old school retro. I mean, it's real old school, isn't it? I'm not sure how old it is though. I mean, it's got the drum brake on the back, but yeah, not sure if that's an addition. And I think some of this looks like it's been customised or updated with that. It's a very shiny Kawasaki tank badge, that. And this pad section on there, I'm sure that's not old, original factory fitted, but just shows you the some of these old bikes for a 400. That's really big compared to I mean, compared to bikes with sort of engines over twice the size nowadays. Another big top box on that, and I suppose this is holiday season, so people are going touring. 390 Duke, ZX6R, very nice. It's that Honda Rebel. I may have mentioned before, the Honda Rebel 250 is the best selling motorbike in the country. Yeah, amazing. I see there's a Honda Rebel 1000 out now. Right, there we are. Look at the size of that, gosh. That's a big back tyre. Exhaust. Well, I already looked at that BMW, haven't I? I like the exhaust coming out of this. Very nice. MV Agusta. I've seen certainly one like it before. Very unique looking bike. Certainly very distinct. Yeah. I have to say I do like the exhaust, the three exhaust pipes coming out the back there. Very nice. That's interesting as well. Yeah, I mean, very interesting design. As contemporary design goes, I do like it, I have to say. I like this section, the indicators on this fender section at the back here. I like that, it's nice. This is a bit different, you know. Make your bike design a bit different. Manufacturers don't make them all look the same. And that's an impressive front end on that as well. Very interesting. But you wouldn't miss that. I mean, if all those lights are on coming towards you, you'd never miss that, would you? Alright, that's me done. I've just noticed I haven't seen any Harleys, and there's one there, look, over there's a Harley. But usually I see loads of Harleys here, but just the one today. So this has been Just in Japan on a bike. Catch you again next time.